Students, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine. So today we are going to start our chapter number 11 for subject physics sound. It's our first lecture, so we will firstly get familiar with the chapter name, and the chapter name is sound. As you all know, sound waves are actually vibration. After vibration, the sound is produced, and that is traveled by sound waves, and after that sound can comes to our ears. So in this chapter we will basically learn about sounds, its medium, how sounds can be good or bad, the quality of sound, sound pitchness, and effect of change in amplitude, and about the intensity and unit of sounds, and how sound is good or how sound is bad, and frequency range. So we will start from its introduction. In introduction, we know that vibrations of object in any medium produce waves. All the sound we hear are actually sound waves. For example, vibrator of ripple tank. Ripple tank is an apparatus. For example, vibrator of ripple tank. A vibrator means the portion that vibrates. Produce water waves. The medium in this case is liquid, because water is liquid, so any watery medium will be called liquid. But it can also be gas or solid. They are saying that if we talk about ripple tank, then it must work in water. But except water, they can also sound can also travel through liquid, gas, or any other medium. Now we will discuss another type of waves that we can hear, that is sound wave. So we will read about sound waves. Like other waves, sound is also produced by vibrating bodies. We can take example from our daily life, that is most common, as you all use cell phone in your homes or at anywhere. If the cell phone is on vibration mode, then it vibrates forward and backward. It produces sound that is actually vibration or sound waves produced by vibrating bodies. So they are talking about the same thing. Due to vibration of bodies, the air around them also vibrates, and the air vibration produce sensation. Sensation means feeling. Sensation of sound in our ear. For example, in a guitar, sound that is produced due to vibration of its strings, that are the strings of guitar. When you press your fingers forward and backward, the strings of the guitar move forward and backward, and it produces sound waves. That sound waves comes to our ear and hit our eardrum, and after that we are able to detect the sound that what is the music of guitar is playing on. In guitar is produced due to vibration of its string. Our voice results from the vibration of our vocal cords. Human heart beats and vibration of other organs like lung are also produce sound waves. Like when you go for a medical checkup, and if you feel temperature or anything else, when the doctor use stethoscope, our heartbeat that contain near chest piece and the diaphragm, that diaphragm voice comes to the stethoscope, and then after it convert to sound waves and come to our ear. So that is the process of using stethoscope, used by mostly doctors. Doctor use stethoscope to hear this sound. So that was our topic about sound wave. Other is all activity work that is done in your practical lab. So coming to the next topic, longitudinal nature of waves. In this topic we will talk about longitudinal nature of wave, that how sound can travel in longer wavelength. Propagation means separateness. Propagation of sound waves produced by vibrating tuning fork can be understood by vibrating tuning fork as shown. They are saying that they have shown us three diagrams. In first diagram, the sound waves are in linear form or longitudinal form, and the distance between these are the parts of tuning fork, as you can call it prong. And in B diagram, the distance from the O to B, or you can call it displacement, is compressed. These are linear or longitudinal, but these are compressed because that point is pressing pressure to B point. That's why these are compressed. While in the diagram C, you can see that the O prong put pressure on O point, and that's why the middle point and the middle waves are compressed. These all the things are due to longitudinal nature of sound. So in paragraph we read about Propagation of sound waves produced by vibrating tuning fork can be understood by vibrating tuning fork as shown. Before the vibration of tuning fork, density of the air molecule, density mean how heavy or how little or how brittle is something. Air molecule on the right side is uniform. Here the molecules of sound waves are uniform. As you see, all the lines are in equal or uniform position. After that, when the right prong of the tuning fork move from mean position, mean means central position, O to B, it exerts some pressure on the adjacent layer. Adjacent mean nearby layer, that is close to other layer of air molecule, and produces a compression, as I have told you earlier in the diagram. So this compressed air layer in turn compress the air layer next to it, and so on. As when this sound put pressure on other, the other will also be compressed. You can take example of this as you are a collection of books, and when you press or break the one book, the other books get and exerted on pressure on other books, and they forming a collection of all the books and form a layers. A moment later, the prong begins to move from B towards A. Now the pressure is in adjacent layer decreased and a rarefaction is produced. Now question is, what is rarefaction? The rarefaction is transferred to the air layer next to it, and so on, as the tuning fork moves back and forth rapidly. Back and forth means forward and backward. A series of compression and rarefaction are created in the air. In this way, sound wave propagates through the air. Propagates through the air means the sound wave firstly is uniform, then it is moved from O to B, and the first its movement is compressed and the other is uniform. But when pressure from A to O is exerted, first sound waves are uniform, and then these position exert or put pressure to other, and all these central or mean sound waves are compressed and the other remains uniform. The same they are talking in next paragraph. So that was our lecture for today. If you have any further question, you can contact to WhatsApp group. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.